Hello everyone, welcome in Multichoice Academy. Today we are solving NCERT Mathematics Class 8 Express 2.4. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get regular updates. You can watch the previous video, links are given in the description box.
Now today we solve the exercise 2.4. We take the question number 6. In that question, given part is the plot length and breadth ratio is 11:4 and fencing rate is 100 rupees per meter. Total cost of the fence of the plot is 75,000 and we find the dimension of the plot. Dimension of the plot means we find what is the value of length and what is the breadth of the plot in meters. This is the question given and which we want to find. It is okay. That is the statement of the question in short. And you can refer the full question by your textbook. Now you know that dimension of the plot. Dimension of the plot means you know the length and width. And in that question, it is showing that fencing. Fencing means plot is the surrounding of the plot. Okay? Means you can find the, what is this length? This length is the perimeter of the rectangle. That is the rectangular plot. It is mentioned that one. So rectangular means that is the length and that is the width. So length and width, that becomes the perimeter of the plot is equal to 2 times of the length. You add that whole 4 length. B plus L plus B plus L means perimeter of the plot is equal to twice of L plus B. I think you clear it. What is the meaning of the perimeter of the plot? Okay. So now we are writing down in the notation form. L we are taking for the length. B are taking for the breadth. Okay. So L upon B ratio is equal to 11/4. It is given. Okay. Now we assume that width of the plot is equal to x meter. We don't know what is that length and breadth. We know the relationship between these two. So now we assume that width of the plot is equal to x meter. So now what is the length? In terms of x. Okay. So now you put the simply in that equation, in place of b you write down the x. So then we can find out the L means length of the plot in terms of x. Okay. It is understood. L is equal to 11/4. That may be the multiply here. Okay. I have discussed this in the previous videos. Okay. You can refer it. 11/4 into x meter. And if you have any query, you can comment me on the comment box. Then we know that in terms of breadth is equal to x meter and length is equal to 11/4 x meter. It is now clear? Now we put that value of the length and width in the perimeter of the plot. So perimeter of the plot becomes twice of, in place of L we writing down 11/4 into x, and in place of B write down the x. Now it is clear. Simply you add this two values. You take the denominator LCM 4, 11x plus this is 4x. Now it is clear. And then we simply find it. Its perimeter of the plot in terms of x 15/2 x in meter. It is okay. That is the meter. Now we find the cost of fencing. So cost of fencing rate is 100 rupees per meter. Okay. So when we multiply that length our becomes the perimeter is 15 by 2x. When we multiply by that by 100, so it is become the cost of fencing. It is now clear. So now we cut that 2 times 50 and it becomes 750x. It is now clear. In that is becomes the rupees. Okay. But we know that the total cost of the fence of the plot is 75,000. So now we simply put here 75,000 is equal to 750x. Now it is clear. X is equal to 77,500 divided by 75. And x is equal to 100 meter. And what is x? X is the breadth. Means breadth of the plot is equal to 100 meter. Now we know that the breadth of the plot is equal to 100 meter. So now we can find out the length of the plot. And that is 11 by A4 into x. So then we find the length is equal to 275 meters. Means our question's answer is dimension of the plot in terms of width is 100 meter and length is equal to 275 meters. Thank you.